If you want to turn off Talkback on OnePlus Nord CE5, first of all you have to learn how to navigate. So if you want to swipe up or swipe down, you will have to use your two fingers. If I try to swipe up and down with my one finger, it's not gonna work. Now we just have to go for settings. And now if you want to open something, first of all you will have to click on it, and then when it is selected with the green frame, you will have to quickly double tap on this icon to open it. So the settings are over here, and I have to click on it and then quickly double tap. Now we have to just scroll down for accessibility settings, go to the accessibility, click on vision, now select Talkback, now click on that switcher, now click the turn off, and as you can see, the Talkback is turned off.